Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment building today and we got to take a look at a plugged toilet. Let's see what we find.
Huh? Okay, go. No, but I need them to clean that up first. Are you going to try them or are you cleaning it?
Okay, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so the drain is clear now. Okay. You gotta call your after hours number
Yeah.
because I'm just here to fix the drain, right?
Okay.
The drain's clearly fine now. Now, it was plugged, obviously. But you got an issue with the parts in the back,
And that's
right?
what they're supposed to come in.
Yeah. So basically call the after hours. It's like a 5500 number. Call that. Tell them basically what you want to tell them. Tell them your toilet's broken.
Okay.
Tell them it's not plugged,
Yeah.
it's broken.
Okay.
Because if you say it's plugged, they're going to call me. And I'm going to come back because I get paid to come back, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Because it's on their... if they don't send the right person, that's on them. Hopefully the super actually comes and looks at it because it's stuff that he can fix.
Okay.
Like it's literally a broken handle
Yeah.
and a flapper. That's all it is.
Okay.
That's why it was constantly running.
Yeah.
So when you went to bed and you woke up, the toilet was plugged, but because it was constantly running, it all spread out, right? Because it wouldn't stop running because the flapper was leaking. Therefore, the float wasn't shutting off because it wasn't high enough.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right.
The drain's clear. That's a good thing.
Thank you.
I shut the water off again.
Yeah. It's gonna keep on running still?
If you turn the water on, yeah, because the flapper's leaking, right?
Yeah.
So they need to have changed that. I'm talking with my hands a lot. I don't know why.
It's okay.
So
No worries.
what I'm gonna suggest you do,
Yeah.
if you got like your mop bucket, or if you got even a little bit of a smaller bucket, it's a pain. I get it, but if you fill it up in the bathtub, you pour it down, everything will go.
Okay.
Okay? It's a pain, I get it, 100%,
We kind of already been doing that for like a week, so,
but then it plugged up, right?
yeah.
Okay,
And
so,
like, I was here for a couple days by myself, they were with their dad,
yeah.
and then they came and, you know.
Kids, I got them, believe me, I know. All right? So, yeah, contact the after hours for sure, because they need to do their part,
Yeah.
right? And we find a lot of the superintendents don't,
So, yeah,
right?
that's
So-
pretty regular.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Hello, Sky, can you move? He's gonna come out the washroom now, watch out.
All right,
Thank you so much.
not a problem. Can I just get you to grab the door there?
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good night,
You
okay?
too.
And a good
Thanks
weekend.
again, you too.
Thank you. Alright, there you go guys. Everything, toilet's clear now. Now they gotta get their supers to come in and change out the handle and the flapper, and everything should be working just fine. Till next time, this has been Jade at Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.